Hi, today I have B.A.P's first mini album Repackage, and I'm pretty sure it's called Crash. It doesn't really say, just like the secret third mini album doesn't say. But Crash was the main single off this. First off, it is heavy. It is huge. Like, it's a big album. And here is the size. So, and you have 7 songs. Crash, I Remember, Bang Yongguk Solo, Goodbye, No Mercy, Voicemail, Dancing in the Rain, and What My Heart Tells Me to Do. So, open it up, and it looks like this. So, hold on. You have the CD held in by those pesky stoppers I just can't stand. But here is the CD. And then in this box right here, you have photo cards. Lots and lots of photo cards. So first on top is this, and it has the track list on the back. It is just the lyrics and the credits. So there you go. All 7 songs. And then you have a photo card of things. These are huge. So I will just separate them. Okay. So here you have all the group ones. You have all of them. And the back is basically the same thing, just in like gray. So I won't show you that. You have the next one. You have this one. This one. And last group one. And then you have, I put My Bias in the front. Jong Up. Here you go. More. And then you have I ranked them from my bias of them. So Himchan is next. But the real order goes, the real order of the photo cards goes Bang Yongguk, Himchan, Daehyun, Youngjae, Jongup, and Zello. We have more. I think the official order of these is by the birth date, possibly. And you have Zello, Jello, with a bowl cut. He has cool hair though, the different dye. Next you have Youngjae, then you have Bang Yongguk, and lastly you have Daehyun. Yep, so that is all the photo card things you get. They are huge. This album is expensive. On Yes Asia, I think it's like $30. But I think it is definitely worth it because it is a huge packaging and it has really good songs. The standout songs to me are Crash. That is my favorite song of B.A.P. And then I also really like No Mercy and Dancing in the Rain. Those were my favorites on this album. Yep, so this is B.A.P's first mini album package. Bye!